Hello viewer, this video is in continuation with my earlier videos. The link for those videos I have given in the description. Please watch them. So in this video I am going to explain you the 4 commands: copy command, move command, mirror command and offset command. Let's start with the copy command. The copy command you can get it from the modify menu. Can you see here? This is the copy command. Okay, 3 triangles, copy command. Or you can go to the modify toolbar, pull down toolbar and get the copy command, or you can type copy, COPY, copy in the command line, or CO or CP, whichever. Okay, CP, and just press enter. So the copy command is on. Now say for example this object need to be copied over here. Okay, over here. Now here the very important is the base point of this object and the displacement point of this object, which you have to define. For example, let me select this object which is to be copied. Okay, right click. Now my base point is this corner. Look at this. I can select the base point is this corner, or the middle point of the bottom line, or this corner, or maybe the top corner, or the middle part of this, or this, or the center of this. Okay, the center of this. Let me start now with this corner. Say for example this is the base point and the displacement point is this. Okay, this is the displacement point. You click here the displacement point. So object is copied. Also you want to copy over here. Also you want to copy over here. Finished. You wanted to copy 3 objects over there as per your base point and the displacement positions. Now you copied over. Now you can either press escape or press enter or right click. You have copied 3 objects from same object over here. Now say for example I want to copy this object, okay, whereas my base point is this corner. Select the copy command, select the object, right click. Now this is the base point as I have desired. Now take it here. I want to copy at this corner. 1, 2 and 3. Over. Right click. Finish. Out. Now third case, I want to copy the center of this point, center of this object, and I want to copy it over here. So here I have to get the center, so I need to do some construction. So I just use the line command and join these corners. Later I may delete them. Okay, I get the center point. Now select the copy command, select the object, right click. Now base point is the center point. Okay, base point, and my displacement point is this junction. Okay, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now I don't require these 2 lines. These lines, unwanted lines, could be deleted. Right, over. This is how you copy the object. You can copy the single object or you can also copy the multiple objects. Say for example, you can copy this all, select the copy command and select the object, right click. Now this is your base point and click at this point here. See, you have copied 1, 2, 3. Now this is the base, this was the base point and this was the displacement point. Okay, also copy command, select everything, right click. This is the base point and this is the displacement point. Right click, over. You have copied this entire object. Okay, this is how you copy the object. Say for example, one more. I have this object and you have a line over here. Okay, you want to copy this object. Select copy command, select the object, right click, take this corner is a base point and click on this point as a displacement point. The object is copied from here to here. Okay. Now next we'll take up move. Okay, what's the difference between copy and move? Copy command, you will have the original object over here and will get copied here. In move command, you are just moving the object from this point to the another point. Say for example, say I want to move this object. Okay, I want to move this object. I want to move this object. I select move command, select the object. Again here, the base point is the matter. This is the base point. I want to move it over here. This is the displacement point. So the original object will not be there. It has moved from this point to this point. So I want to move this object. Okay, I want to move this object. Go to the select the move command, select the object, right click. Now select the base point from here. This is the base point, and I want to move it at this point. Move. So you can move. I want to move entire this. Okay, select the move command, select the entire objects, right click. From this point to I want to move it here. Right. So it is moved from here to here. I want to move this. Select the move command, select the object, right click. From this point to this point. I have moved from here to here. This is how you use the move command. The short form is M. You can simply type M. Okay. Now let's go for mirror command. So let's concentrate on mirror command. Let's learn how to use mirror command. So mirror command here, can you see this triangle? Two triangles between a line. This indicates the mirror command. Okay, in the modified line, or you can go to the modify and select mirror, or simply type MI. That's the mirror. Okay, all are same. So select the mirror command. Now select the object. Okay, right click. Now you define the mirror line. Okay, suppose if I define this first point and the second point is the mirror line. Okay, in the opposite side you will form the object. This is how the object. Click here. Now it is asking you erase the source object. This is the source object. You want to erase it or no? You want to retain it? I say no. Okay, by default no. Enter. So you will get this object. So this is the source object. This is a mirror image. Okay. Now let me continue. Mirror object. Select the entire object. Right click. Now mirror line is this point. This line. First point and the second point. Now look at here. Erase the source object? No. Enter. So you got this object. See, you had one object. From the one object, you have made the second, third, and fourth. This is how you mirror it. Okay, very simple. Now the question is, say I have an object here. Okay, I have an object here. One square I have. Right? You have an object. I want to create an absolute mirror image on my right side, okay, at a distance of 2000. How do you do this? I want this object to be created, okay, at a distance of 2000 from this object. How do I do that? See, in this case, I have taken the mirror line absolutely. So in this case, I have taken the mirror line as this. So suppose if I take the mirror line this, the object will be created here and not at 2000, but I want to create absolutely the mirror image at a distance of 2000 from this object. How do I do that? So to do this, you have a line, reference line for you. Okay, have a reference line for you. Keep it also. This is your reference line. From here, you have to create another line at a distance of 2000. Okay, at a distance of 2000. To do this, very simple. We have an offset command which I am going to deal you later. Okay, you have a offset command. Okay, now type the distance, half of the distance, that is 1000. Okay, enter. Okay, and click here, click here. Now this line is 1000 units. Okay, 1000 units from this line. Now this is your mirror line. Okay, this is your mirror line. Now select the mirror command, select the object, right click and click it on this first point and the second point of your mirror line. Your object is created at a distance of 2000. Okay, this is how you use the mirror command. Now last is offset command. Okay, offset command, your shortcut keyboard command is O. Simply type O, or you can select as this. This is the offset command, or you go to the draw toolbar, modify toolbar, and select the offset command. Okay, now see how do you do this offset command. Say for example, you have a original line here. Okay, you want to create from this line a parallel line is to be created at a distance of 2000 units. Okay, select the offset command, asking you specify the offset distance, say 2000, as I told you, 2000. Okay, click here and click this side. You want the offset line to be created at this side. You just click at this side. The offset line is created. Okay, you want to create the offset on the other side. Yes, the line is created at a distance of 2000. Absolute parallel for this. Okay, you want to create a line from here to this side, another line. You want to create offset distance from here to here, 2000. 2000 is remain constant unless you want to change it. So 2000. All these lines are created at an offset of 2000. Right. Say for example, let me repeat offset command. Give an offset distance of say 1000. Enter. You want to create an offset from here to here. You want to create an offset from here to here. Okay. Want to create an offset from here to here. Want to create an offset from here to here. So this is how you create the parallel lines by using offset command. Let me draw a small circle. Okay, radius is equal to 5000. Okay, this circle having radius is equal to 5000. Now we want to draw another concentric circle whose radius is 4000. Okay, for the offset with 1000. So select the offset command, and offset is 1000. Enter. Click here. You just click inside. Click here. Inside. Click here. Inside. Click here. Inside. Click here. Inside. Okay. Now let me draw one rectangle. Now you want to create an offset for this inside. Offset command. Offset distance is say 500. Enter. Just click inside. 500 is offset. Another. Okay. One more. One more. One more. One more. Right. This is how you use the offset command. Okay. I think over.